Hi, this is George with Funeral Home Gifts, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a single photo and add some text and maybe a border or two. So the first thing we're going to do is, again, type the family name or reference number so we can track this package when it gets to our funeral home. Select a product, always pick the full-size throw. Price again, $60. You will see quantity discounts at the checkout if you order more than one. And I'm going to click Purchase New Tribute Item. Now, to upload a single photo, I'm going to use the standard format, which is pre-checked. And I'll click on the next step down in the lower right-hand corner that says Upload Your Video. From here on out, I'm just going to work using the tab navigation on the top. I can, once I upload my photo, I can go to any tab I want at any time. So I'm going to left mouse click on the Browse button, find my photos. Again, I'll take a picture of Mr. Smith. I'll right click on the Open button and click on Start Upload. In the lower left corner, I see the status bar. In the bottom center of the page, I see the image information and image size. And that's important because if the image is good, it will come in green, and if it's too small, it will come in red, which means I'll have to upload or go back to my scanner and increase the resolution. Preferably, we like to go with 300 dpi at about a 5 by 7 inch photo size. Now, my next step is going to be to arrange my photo. Since I plan on only having one photograph, I don't need to use the 2, 3, or 4 photo layout, but I will hit the rotate button here and just take a look and see what this would look in landscape. And I think I like the portrait better. So I'm going to go edit my photo because I want to zoom in on this one. Now, when I roll my mouse over the photograph, I see my editing tools: pan to the left, pan to the right, pan down, pan up, zoom in, zoom out. Now if I zoom out, you can see that I get dead space around my blanket, which you never want to have dead space. So let's always zoom in and make sure we don't have the black edges. So I've zoomed in a little bit here, and I think I've got the perspective that I want. I may want to pan that image over to the left just a little bit. Let's next go on the Add a Border tab across the top, and I can choose from many different types of borders, but I'm going to pick a solid border for this. And given the fact that the man is wearing a blue jacket, I thought I might choose a blue border. Here's solid blue. Now let's click on the Add Text tab, and let's add a little bit of text. Now in the Add Text area, you have 4 areas to choose from: the text boxes, the font styles, the font size, and the text color. Now I know this button says Text Line 1, but you can think of it as a text box. So I'm going to write in here John Smith. Then I'm going to hit the Enter key and put his year of birth and year of death. And I'm going to left click on the Apply button. Text boxes always come into the image in the upper left hand corner. I'm going to left mouse click and hold down on that text, and I'm going to drag it to where I want it, which is right down below his picture. And I can click on the white font color. But you know something? I don't really like that. Let's go back to blue and drag the text box up above him. I think I like that better, but I'm not thrilled with the font. Let's try a few other fonts. To change the fonts, all you do is click on the font. And I do think I like that better, but I think it's just a little small. So I'm going to come down to my slider bar, and I'm going to slide it just to the right and see what we can do. Now I think that looks very good. Now if I did want to have a second text box, I could Click in the second text box and say, given in loving memory. Click apply, and put that down there. Make it white. Center it. Decrease its size so that it'll fit. But I think that's too much going on there. So I'm going to click on the trash can that says delete text line 2 and take care of that. Lastly, I'm going to click on the complete your order tab. Now, I have a small thumbnail of the image. Then I have the full-size product image, or the mid-size product image, but I'm going to click here for a full-size view of my product. And here I can really see the detail and how the fonts are going to look. I'm going to check for spelling errors. I like it. Click the close button. I'm going to click on next step in the lower right-hand corner. Click on next step again. My shipping and billing address are fine. Click on next step again. Now I need to ship it. Now for me, I need this next day. So I'm going to click on the next day tab. That gives me delivery on Tuesday, 11/10. My shipping fee is $39. Now if I were a gifting funeral home, or if I had made the agreement to include this in every one of my economically viable packages, I would be receiving a 50% discount on shipping. So instead of $39.99, I'd be paying $19.99, which would be a better deal for me. Then I'm going to click on place order. And the system says processing, please wait. And in a couple seconds we'll have the American flag, and we'll know we're done. And that's it. Now if I want to do anything else, I can click on the home button, which brings me back to this screen so that I could maybe upload another photo. And that's it for this video. In our next video, I'm going to show you how to upload multiple photos for the same blanket. Until then, thank you.